Classes in Kotlin can have properties, and these can be declared as mutable by using the var keyword or read-only by using the val keyword. The syntax to declare a property is very simple. First, we must indicate the visibility modifier for our property. Keep in mind that by not specifying the visibility modifier, public will be set by default. Second, we must indicate the type of our property, var or val. Third, we assign the property name followed by a colon and the data type. After defining the property, you can notice that now we are getting some errors. That's because properties must always be initialized. So we have to add a value to each property. Since they are strings, let's assign them string values except null. In forthcoming lessons, you will learn how to deal with null objects and exceptions in Kotlin. Another point that is important to mention is that properties data types can be inferred, so we don't need to declare them explicitly. In this case, by assigning a string value, Kotlin will determine that this property is a string. In Kotlin, getters and setters are optional. They will be auto-generated and will implement the visibility modifier specified in the property. But you have the option to manipulate the getter and setter if you want. To do so, we must define them below the property statement. For the getter, we use the get function without parameters and indicate the return value. For the setter, we use the set function that receives one parameter, called value, that will be assigned to the property. Also, if you want this property to be editable only inside this class, we can define the setter as private, so the property will be readable in other classes but editable by this class only.